Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content. And if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing, or packaging rather, to share with you guys. I do know what's in here because this was actually sent by Finch Knife Co. Check them out on Instagram. I'll have some information here that'll make that a little bit easier. I'll be able to show it to you guys. So thank you for sending this. And thank you to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. If you'd like to check out my Patreon, there's a link down in the description. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right. I know that this company is run out of Kansas, which is cool because I am from Kansas. Are there 3 in here? Cool. Is this... I think they're Stillwater, Kansas. I looked at a couple Finches a while back, and I thought they were really cool, so I'm happy to take a look at some more. Let's see here. Let's get out. I know 2 of the models that are coming. Well, here, it says right on the back. Holiday. I hope that's how you pronounce it. Let's take a look here. Oh, yeah, cool. These kind of... Finch knives kind of have that look. Everything is very snug. It's kind of old school meets modern. So I appreciate that. Looks like we've got a bolster lock. Oh yeah, cool. Is this what's the material here? Is it... I'm going to find out. Steel. So we've got steel with micarta, looks like. I think that was on the box. Hang on here. There we go. I think I have links for these, by the way, so I'll provide links if I can. 154 cm, nice. Very much like that. I'm interested to see the price point on these guys. I don't think they are... Oh, here's something I missed last time. Hang on. Alright, there we go. The logo glows. God bless it. I didn't even cover that at all the last time I looked at a Finch knife, so there we go. Oh, man. I feel so bad about that I missed it. I remember messaging him and saying I'm so sorry. Alright, let's take a look here. This next one is the 1929, okay? That's the one that I wasn't expecting. So, oh yeah, I've seen this one. I've seen this one around. Man, they do a good job of really mixing up the traditional and the modern. That's cool. I really like that one. Man, it just has that traditional look to it. That's awesome. And this is... What are we looking at here? 154 cm again. Very cool. Guys, I like these. I think these are cool. And there's not a whole lot else out there that looks like... that's doing it just like this. I think the pocket clip is the pocket clip is titanium. Okay, is that the same on this guy right here? I wonder. Yeah, okay, so they're titanium pocket clips, steel on the... It's not really a bolster. This is the frame, and then this is a scale sitting on top of it. And then we're obviously running on bearings. These are very smooth, very snappy. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if those become... fall shut. God dang. Action's fantastic. Very cool. Okay. Last one is the Cimarron. Alright, let's pull her out here. Alrighty. Ooh, bigger guy. Okay. And yeah, what are we looking at here for material? Is this very smooth, dark green and tan? Is this micarta or is it G10? Looks like G10. Okay, well, in any case, very nice. Nice, smooth guy. Looks like we have a... What are we looking at here? This is layered. Very cool. So we have dark green and tan on this guy, titanium clip, and then it looks like a countersunk steel liner there on the inside, and a countersunk liner lock. Again, extremely smooth, very good flipping action. Can't stress that enough. Flipping action and smoothness is excellent. Are these all... This one's 14C... Yeah, 14C28N. Right there we go. These are really nice, and they are different from what we're seeing. Here's what I like, how that blade just lays right down in there completely. Can we touch it? Nope. Nice job there. Can't touch the blade. Sometimes you get that on a really narrow handle profile. I think these will definitely speak to people who appreciate more of a traditional look in their knives, but they want modern elements. Something that I appreciate is the carry profile. There's a lot of design elements here that make a lot of sense while they're still able to capture that traditional look. But they're using 154 cm, which I am constantly trying to tell people, you know, I get it. We all want it. We all want the newest, coolest thing, right? And everybody kind of fetishizes maximum edge retention. 154 cm is one of the most well-rounded steels that exists. There's a reason when you look at really expensive knives that hover around the $1,000 mark, if we're talking about some custom knives, right? There's a reason you still see 154 cm / CPM 154. I understand CPM is the powder form version of it, but because of the composition, the CPM version of the 154 cm, there's not that much of a benefit between the two because of, you know, how the benefit generally is in carbide formation in a steel that has heavy carbide formation in its ingot form, right? So anyways, the reason you see that composition in the ultra high-end range is because it's an excellent, well-rounded user steel. I love seeing 154 cm on knives. I don't care how much it is. I don't care if it's a $70 knife or if it's a friggin' $1,000 knife. It's an excellent steel. Absolutely excellent for use. Decent edge retention, good toughness, excellent stainless qualities, and the reason I like it, honestly, is because at the end of the day, after a full day of using it, it's so easy to touch up, which is amazing considering what you actually get out of the edge, right? The heat treat's done correctly. It's a really cool. I gotta say, I think this little guy right here, I think is my favorite. I like that little sub frame lock, kind of bolster lock look. I like that. That's cool. These are nice looking knives. Really good job on that traditional look, but you can flip it. That blade's just cool, man. I like that. Let's take a look at the finish on it. Let me clean this off just a sec. There we go. Very, very nice. Really nice looking stuff. Yeah, I like this. He reached out on Instagram and said, would you want to take a look? And I said, absolutely. Absolutely. Very cool. Very functional designs, too. I like that. All right, guys, that's going to be pretty much it. Do we have... Hang on. Finch, warranty, Finch. Flipping the Finch. Show you guys these here in a sec. These are cool. I need something that shows your Instagram. Well, I believe it's Finch Knife Co. on Instagram. These are great. I like the boxes. Stickers are cool. I like unique stickers for every model. That's neat. Right there. Yeah. These are cool. I mean, that's awesome that you print some unique stickers, you know, for the different models. Pretty neat. Okay, guys, check them out on Instagram. I will link these knives if I can find them right down in the description. That's going to be pretty much it today. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram as well, at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do not like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.